Welcome to Wealth Building Unleashed, Mastering the Index Universal Life Insurance Strategy. In this transformative video, we delve into the world of Index Universal Life Insurance, IUL, and unveil a groundbreaking approach to building enduring wealth. Discover how IUL empowers you to navigate market volatility while securing your financial future. Unlock the potential. Explore how IUL's unique structure combines life insurance protection with investment opportunities. Learn how this strategy has the potential to accumulate cash value over time, providing a secure foundation for wealth growth. Harness market growth. Dive deep into the mechanics of IUL's cash value growth, linked to the performance of stock market indices. Gain insights into how to strategically allocate funds to maximize returns, all while safeguarding against market downturns. Strategic mastery. Uncover expert tips and tactics to masterfully allocate your resources within an IUL policy. Discover ways to tailor your strategy to your risk tolerance, financial goals, and long-term aspirations. Amplify financial security. See firsthand how IUL can bolster your financial security by offering tax advantages and the potential for both life insurance protection and cash value accumulation. Learn how to leverage these benefits to protect your loved ones and ensure your legacy. Your path to prosperity. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just beginning your financial journey, this video equips you with the knowledge and tools needed to make informed decisions. Join us on this enlightening expedition towards mastering the Index Universal Life Insurance Strategy. Please feel free to like and subscribe for more information.